Welcome to the Raynor Minute with Hawaii's garage door professionals. Raynor Hawaii has been serving Hawaii's homeowners for over 30 years.
Aloha, I'm Ron, a technician at Raynor Hawaii. Let's check out your garage door.
Your interior wall control offers some features not available on your exterior keypad or remote. Most wall controls have at least 3 functions on them. The first one is the operating button, which opens and closes the garage door. It is important to know that you can override the safety eye sensors when they are obstructed or broken by holding down the main button continuously. As you hold it, the door will close and stop automatically when it reaches the floor. Do not do this if you cannot see the entire door to ensure it is safe. This feature will allow you to safely close the door so that you can secure and leave your home if needed. You may have noticed that 1 to 5 minutes after you enter the garage, the light will shut off automatically. This is a power-saving feature. The second feature is the light switch, which gives you the ability to turn the light on and off as you wish. The third feature on your interior wall control is the lock button. The lock button locks out your keypad and remote and other radio signals. To activate the lock, you need to hold the lock button down for a couple of seconds. This is to avoid accidentally activating the lock function. This feature is useful when you will be away from home for a long period of time, such as a vacation. When locked, nothing can open your door except the interior wall control itself.
Thank you, Ron. And thank you for watching. Feel free to call us at 808-676-3667 for your full safety check and annual maintenance.